Hi guys, it's Almatin here, and today we're going to be playing Subway Surf. And this is on Schweib's iPad, and Schweib will be going first. Okay guys, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and comment down below who do you think is better at Subway Surf, Almatin, hashtag Almatin, or hashtag Schweib. Schweib's doing pretty well. Ooh, so close. And Schweib's score was, and we're going to be looking at the coins, whoever gets more coins. So Schweib's score was, I'm going to have to be playing with it.
Can I play my character?
No.
Why?
Because I said,
I hate this girl.
I don't care. Oops. Oh no, I won. Two Snugget, and my score was my high score was 297.
I won. No, I won.
You had 210. I had 297.
If I go more points.
And guys, I am the winner. So if you like this video, subscribe.
I'm playing another
Thumbs
game.
up. No.
But we want to play the full game.
No. And
Subscribe.
yeah.
And keep going.
Peace out. Hey, by the way, guys, comment down below if you play Subway Surf and tell me your high score. This is just my brother's high score. Schweib just started playing again. 103.
How many points do I have?
Just be quiet. And guys, comment down below, what was your high score? My high score, to be honest, with coins, is... Let me just go on my iPad and check. Okay, there is Subway Surf. Okay, my high score is with coins. Okay, let me go get my note where my high scores are. Okay. Okay, guys, my high score is 9,009,999 coins. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, thumbs up, and comment down below who won. If you're better than me and your high score. And peace out.